If you've got a leak, your biggest fear is probably worrying about, will this be fixed right? And will you have to deal with it again? I don't blame you. You're not alone. And this video today is talking all about why, when you use Kanga Roof, you're really making the safest choice for your home repairs, whether that's to your roofing, siding, gutters, anything on the exterior of your home. We got five great reasons that should give you total peace of mind to know that when you choose our team, you really made the right decision. First is probably the one I'm most proud of, and that is our leak-free guarantee. For 1 year after we do a repair, you get an absolute leak-free guarantee. If that leak comes back, it's one phone call to our service department. We come out, we fix it, we make it right, and there's no cost to you. The second one, 100% satisfaction money-back guarantee, which means when we're done, if you're not satisfied, all you got to do is let us know, and we are going to go to the ends of the earth to make sure you're satisfied. If we can't make that happen, hey, that's on us, and we give you back every penny you paid for us. So you never have to worry right off the get-go with those first two, 100% satisfaction and leak-free guarantee. That should give you peace of mind right off the get-go. The next one up, we use a straightforward pricing guide. When I'm on with the Inside Outside guys on WJR, they love this thing. I always joke it's like a Denny's menu. No matter what's wrong with your home, we've already got it figured out as far as the pricing. So you never have to worry about, am I paying too much? Am I getting ripped off? Are they making these numbers up? We know how much labor it's going to be. We know what the materials are going to be. We know what we have to make in a profit, and it's all figured out for you. There's no scratch pads. Ooh, they got a Mercedes in the front drive. None of that ever has to be a worry. And number four, is the Kanga Kare Club. I think this should be on every home in Metro Detroit because, number one, that leak-free guarantee, that goes from 1 year to as long as you're in the Kanga Kare Club or till the life of the roof expires. So as long as you're in the Kanga Kare Club, if that leak comes back, my team's on it. No cost to you. We fix it. We make it right so you never have to worry. Here's the other great part. It's going to maximize the life of the roof and prevent other repairs in other areas of the roof or the siding or the gutters from occurring. Now, it won't prevent acts of God, so a tree limb can still come through your roof. But when you're in the Kanga Kare Club, you always know you go right to the front of the line. You're our VIPs. And again, you quite literally never, ever, as long as you're in the club, have to worry about that leak coming back. So there you have it. We think it's really special how we approach repairs, and we do it all from a place of caring and peace of mind. We never want you to have to worry because we know how intrusive a leak can be in the home. And once you call my team, it's one and it's done. I hope you enjoyed this. If you liked this, remember, hit that like and subscribe button because we're always coming out with new different topics to help educate you, the consumer. And hey, if you have a repair, roofing, siding, gutters, you name it, on the exterior of your home, my team would love to help. Give us a call at 586-566-0308. You can always skip the line and book online on our website at www.kanga-roof.com. And as always, I really hope you learned something, got some benefit from this video, and most importantly, you have a Kanga-rific day.